Hello, welcome to our digital business card service. If are you looking for a modern luxury business card or a digital business card, you are in the right place. I am MD Noman Khan from Bangladesh. I am a professional graphics designer. I can create a unique and eye-catching digital business card for you and print-ready business cards with QR codes. Our digital business cards are fully customizable, with a sleek and modern design that will reflect your brand's unique personality and style. Plus, they're easy to share via email, social media, or even through a simple QR code. Benefits of using digital business cards: eco-friendly. Digital business cards help to reduce paper waste, making them an environmentally friendly option. Convenient, you can easily share your digital business card with anyone, anywhere, and at any time. Real-time updates: you can update your digital business card with new information in real time, ensuring that your contacts always have access to the most up-to-date information. If you update cards, it updates automatically for every person who holds it. vCard autosave to the contact list. Thanks for considering our service, and we look forward to helping you take your business to the next level with our innovative digital business